It's my birthday once again. Wishing me, myself, and I a memorable birthday full of Lord's blessings. Today and every day, I just want to thank God for adding another year to my life. I will put a smile on my face and won't let the troubles of life get me down because it's my birthday on this day, the 8th of April. Today, I'm going to have fun with my friends and loved ones because it's a very special day for me.
What, a cider before? Yeah, I haven't tried it. It's the first time. Wow! It's really nice. Thank you. Champion. Champion. You finished all the balls.